Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
I understand only for come and search my brother room. What kind of injustice this? What here?
Oh, where you going there?
Him don't have no gun in here. Him don't have no gun in here.
Nice, man.
I understand only for come and search up him room. What kind of... What here?
Hard working you, that's enough. Hard working you, outside my
How can I fuck with this?
Hard working you.
That was tough.
Him having gun.
Watch the injustice, people. Watch the injustice.
Yeah.
No, I left us until we get it.
Him don't have no gun. Wanna keep him gun?
Him not have none. Him not have
Man,
none.
I lock the door. I lock the door. And he can't lock me out.
Yeah, we can't lock you out of our place. Him not have nothing. Him not have no gun, brother. Him not have none. Him have him pity them out live for and I work for.
One bag of bumper and start fuck it. That's all I'm going to people community come do.
Yeah. I kill off the innocent them. This the red.
You can't even pull up him room.
Look there.
No, man.
Look for no gun. Him no gun. This need justice. This justice.
Jaja.
This need justice. Him not have nothing.
People, you see what I go and do. You see the fuckery what I go on.
Yeah.
Innocent youth.
But they must be alive, search on the place.
Look for him and say, a gunman. When you can't look for him and say, I'm a gunman. When you can't do that.
Watch this. Search on the place. Search on the place. Because you never find nothing.
Oh, well, it's up nice all this one.
What officer? What officer? Officer.
Him not a gun officer.
What
When you want to kill
officer?
out the you granny, if they are that him granny they are sick and they just come in upon him, sir. Eh?
And we not have a
Watch
search
there.
warrant.
Watch there. I search on the fucking place. I know they can't find no gun. No warrant to no have and I coming at people house and I dig up people house.
Yeah,
What the
look
gun there? What the gun there?
Him not have no gun. No gun there. What I search for? We don't go and search in vain. Cause nothing there.
See you? Then mama tell her, yeah. Now let us still get it.
Look how that jeep. What the fuck this?
We don't want to kill off my
But I'm
friend.
glad to the media see what I go on, you
Yeah.
know. I'm glad to the media see what I go on.
We must be creating another camera and kill him, but not to
Jaja sees, Jaja knows my people big up in the cell money, don't know, so they attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, and I mean, say, attack. So my people, this youth you know, this artist you know, you understand, who goes by the nickname of D0N'T. My people, so, basically now people, see, and we are going to tell you now why, you know, and see this really, and Jamaica the overall, my people, that's why we see so much things that go on. And I really love my people. That's why we see so much things that go on in Jamaica, my people. No joke about it. And me not go diss the artist, me not go style the artist D0N'T, but what me I go say my people. See? And me I go showcase something to you, my viewers and subscribers. I go showcase a clip to you all, my people. See? And this clip is what drove the police them to this young man, this entertainer, my people. You understand? This clip, you know, very good song he must sing, but based on the thing where the police them see the man having the video, my people, this is what drove them to his yard, to his premises for the dig and search for it. And how could you blame the police them when crime rate is so high in Jamaica? How can you? Alright, so with further say no more, my people, look on this clip of my viewers and subscribers.
When me see them on the left, of course me hold the right. You know how much of them would have want you me dead before the night done. Mummy always a pray and I tell me son I watch the fight my son. But me sorry mummy, me rather walk with a matic full of shot just before them send me night ground. Cause me now make them take my 3 points. Now see my body pan freeze eyes, so every shoes I feel lace like Levi's. For me feel nice, cause me now make them take my life. Dog you mad, Look how my two daughter nice. So me beg Jah protect me, but me still have to carry my gun. Too much enemies they a road for me fool around. Me never trouble nobody or them tempt me. If me ever squeeze till them a take them empty. Me a go do it cause me nah make none of them take my crown.
Some people, see, that is the clip. What caused the whole thing. See? And if the security force them see this young one with a gun, my people, in a video sing out, click up on something, my people, they don't know if it's licensed, they don't, you understand, my people, and we expect the police them to do. Police are do them work if this was sent to the police them, you know. But this is why you find some more things and you see, oh, the female with a sister are behave disrespecting the police.
My honest opinion. The slower you eat it, you taste the flavor. Since you did great.
Some of viewers and subscribers, you see the other day, my people, me I cook some food, my people, but it seems like all our remembrance gone. Me no remember nothing, my people. So you see this YouTube channel right now, Mama J Cooking Channel, my people, it save me, it help me. So any food, people, any food at all you want to cook and learn in a Jamaican, my people, me I tell you about Mama J Cooking Channel, my people. Mama J Cooking Channel. So my people, please go over there and subscribe. Subscribe to Mama J Cooking Channel. Please, people. So just check below in the description for the link, or check in the comment section for the link to Mama J Cooking YouTube channel, my people. Me I tell us straight, Mama J. Me understand say your time, but on a real level, no joke about it, my people. Zin, you know when police get attacked, me ram fi attack them. When police the foolishness, me attack them, my people. But you see, in certain cases and certain ways, my people, we have to know when to respect the police and allow them to do them work. Zin, me understand the facts, so now watch them for protect on the brothers. But think about how now talk to them, or now use the word out on the mouth. And a son now go protect him. Zin, and a son, and a son they did on a video. Yes, that is proof. They did go on video, but think about how now use the words them to the officers them, because they have all right to do what them are doing, my people. Truthfully and reality. You understand? Because of the youth coming in a video. Because if you have a strap, where you have a come in a video with it if you know, say no, or whatever. So you drive the police them to you cannot blame them. But real life, you cannot blame them. Or you should blame them. And they don't find nothing, people. See, them not find nothing, basically them not find nothing. But you can't blame them. Me would never blame them for them, do my people. I mean, know a lot of people are going to say the same thing too. See? But as I say, this is why we find so much things go on a yard. Because sometimes people will do know. See? And you cannot swear for nobody. You not going to say the man nah nothing. And not going to say this. But you know the man do 24 hours. You not watching 24 hours. Which man not brand him and say I do this people. But him cause it upon himself. And Dan J1 when himself say if him never put out the video, you understand, with the freestyle which draw a lot of attention, my people. A lot of people watch it, like it, rate it, which the song tough, the song bad. Me say third and comes a boom and have it in a studio voice. I don't know, see a song here, the masterpiece of it drop, my people. But when I say my people, at that way the police them to drive them today, you know. You understand? Yes, it may send the video make it go viral and then crank it up and thing and say yo, but still yet, that is what drove the police them there. See? So my Jamaican people, on a real level, we know we're hungry, we feel bad about certain things and with this, with the police them, but in certain level, we got to know that when the respect is due, respect is due. You understand? Because you know right for the way you not deal with them, because they are doing their work, my people. We have to understand that. See, as me say, when them forget attack, them forget attack. And me would never sit my people and say, yo, the police them wrong for go do what them a do because them gonna dig up. No, and you give them a right for do that. If you come sir, you show this thing. And you know so this is a big problem in Jamaica now. And a daily basis, how much life, how much woman I get that shit. Me now wish dead pan nobody, but this is why you find so much woman I get that shit too. See? Because woman love cover up things too much. Because then your woman if it's never right, you can talk and cuss and this and that. But it no go so. See? It no go so. You no wrong. You know wrong, the youth come, the youth do a video and a thing showing at the video. And they drive the police them over there to dig up and ramsack the place. You feel say you go blame the police them, blame him. Cause him do it. See? And if you have respect, no joke about it. But know when police do them fools, because a lot of police and corruption and mix up and the beer ranks, a whole heap of them and may attack them. See? But in a situation like this now, the police then guard the youth yard. See? Them a look for something. Or you expect them to go look for it. If you just take out one something like that out of the drawer, and one this, them have to dig. And one have to hold him over there so we are so work. You understand? It's a different situation if you then go there and beat him up now. When you stay there and watch, ensure say him good, ensure say alright. That's on a job, on a family. But the way you not react to the whole thing, come on man. As I say, at the youth do video, him put out video with him a showing a crank up in thing. So you cannot blame the security forces them. See, right is right and wrong is wrong. And my viewers and my subscribers, if my views and my take on this story is wrong, you can leave it in the comment section and let me know. But that's how I see it, my people. Reality, that's how I see it. You understand? Right is right, wrong is wrong. So for now, my people, enough love, enough blessings, and enough respect. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. You don't know, say the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, my people. Remember, if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I chop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be great, and be safe, my people. Peace out. Enough love. Thanks.